This is the one place, this artificial turf, when I run the CRB over it, because of all the people that work out on it. Sometimes I have to stop, take the brushes off, and trim all the hair out. So all the hair that people lose during their workout. This is the only place ever that has a lot of hair built up to the point where I have to stop sometimes and cut the hair out. You can probably see it on the blue brushes, that black color, that's hair wrapping around the brushes. For those that are wondering what I'm using to clean this, I have a fair amount of citrus in here, being that it's a gem, sweat, could be oily, people's shoes could be greasy or oily when coming in off the asphalt. So I'm running some citrus solvent mixed in with a product called Frog Nasty. I'll try to put the links in the description where you can buy them if you're a carpet cleaner and you're like, oh, I didn't realize you can clean artificial turf. And then I'm rinsing it out with Formula 99 because it gives me a little extra kick. And then I'm doing double passes everywhere at least, and more if necessary. Pre-sprayed it pretty heavily, CRB'd the whole thing. So if you want to check those products out, I'll put some links in the description. I highly recommend them as they do quite a good job. If you have products that you already like, as long as you're using a solid alkaline and your favorite citrus solvent or delimonene, make sure you're always shaking the bottle, because if it's a citrus solvent, it is not going to stay mixed with your water and alkaline pre-spray. It will start to separate since a solvent and water don't blend. So you got to make sure you keep mixing it as you're spraying. That way you get an even amount distributed over the carpet, or in this case the turf. But you can see the difference here. It's doing great. This is my third time here. I filmed it 2 other times, but this time I actually remembered to show that I did vacuum it first, pre-sprayed it, and ran a CRB. I think I forgot the last 2 times, so you'll see the videos if you look for them. But this is Crunch Fitness in Stockton, California. Thank you for having me back for the 3rd time. Last time they shouted us out on their Instagram, which was cool of them. So I want to give a big shout out to them for utilizing a small family business to clean the artificial turf floors. I think they called on their seeing our reviews, and to be honest, you don't see this too often, or at least get these jobs. But because it's just oily and soils, I'm cleaning it the exact same way as I clean house carpet. How many people that go to a gym and work out there? I would suggest every 3 months based on how dark this water is. Currently, I am doing every 6 months, I believe, roughly, somewhere between 5-6 months. Just because, you know, people are sweating their butts off working out and walking off of asphalt, the concrete, tracking stuff in. This is all from that job alone. Before I went out there, I had drained here. You can see the water is barely even lightened up a little bit as it's slowing down. Hope you liked this video. Sorry. The past you've seen the other ones. Forgot to do some of the steps, so I made sure to film a little bit of each step. But like I said earlier, it is just like cleaning house carpets, the way I treat it, and it turns out great every time.